Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Club Victress. This is actually a rebranding. If you remember the Period Club, they were a period subscription. They rebranded as Club Victress. So basically this is a period subscription box that supports women. It's for women and supports women. They do have a whole bunch of different subscription options. So if your price point is what you're looking for, or you're looking for this certain item, this is the one. I'm going to go into details in the full review if you want to know what's in each different plan. I don't really know which one this is yet. But I'll tell you the different options and then the pricing. So there's the silver, that's $14.99 a month. Then there's the gold, that's $24.99 a month. And then there's the platinum, that's $34.99 a month. There's also a platinum with no period, which I'm guessing that discludes the period items. So basically you choose which membership you'd like. Then you're going to choose, I wrote it all down so I wouldn't forget, the type of, do you want pads, tampons, or both? Then you'll choose your brands, and then you'll choose your flow. So there is that. And let's find out what's in here. I'm so excited. My daughter's screaming downstairs. All right. So, welcome to the club. We value, see how inside it has this gold? There's a card here. How fancy is that? We value each and every subscriber, and we are so glad that you have chosen us. We are so excited to share our boxes and our Victress vendors, products, and stories with you each month. So each month is going to conclude. It's going to include a different female vendor. I might have to pause this video because she's just mad. She's coming. She's coming. Mike's husband is supposed to be with her, but well, he must be doing something, playing video games or something. Alright, so behind every successful woman, there's a tribe of other successful women who have her back. It's so true. So each month they're going to feature different small female business owners and their products in here. I did pick, I usually say both for period boxes, just so you guys can see their variety. I don't know what brand I chose. I'm sorry. I was just, you know, start spurting off. So here's this pretty bag. I'm guessing this is, yeah, this is our tampons and pads. So we have, these are the what, Kotex U, I think. Seriously? Gosh. So, I'm so sorry. So there are, so far, 3, hold on, let's get them all out. And they're in different colors, they're all regular. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and different subscriptions have different amounts and things like that. I love this little bag though. Yeah, there's 8 tampons. That sounds like 7 is like an odd. And then there's some panty liners here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And they're probably getting 8 pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pads. There's one that I'm missing. Whatever. So there is that. Let me get all that out of the way. So now we're left with other items. There's some extras in here, it looks like. So there's 2 women's Yogi tea. The Yogi Energy. I love these, they're amazing. We've got 2 packets of Summer's Eve Island Splash Cleansing Cloth. That's interesting. They're usually the, what is it, sheer floral that we get in boxes, but this is Island Splash. That sounds fun. All right. This goes to this. So I think this is from All Oil Everything. I've seen her Instagram. I love her Instagram. So she creates essential oil blends. This is the Energize. It's a natural energy uplifting stay awake oil. So let's, ooh, don't let my kids have this one. That smells really good. It has like a cedar. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so there's that. There's another one in here too. Ooh, this one is Energized? Wait. Oh, I think I had, that was the wrong one. This is the PMS cramps and bloating. That was the one I just had. This is the Energize. I should have known because it says Energize right there. Okay, so this one has a different kind of a color. The other one's really clear. Ooh, that's a lot brighter. Yeah, I was wondering, I'm like, I smell cedar in that. That's interesting for Energize. This is like a very, I would say grapefruit maybe some blood orange. I don't know. It smells good though. All right, moving along. We have some Jelly Bellies. So this is the 20 flavor, it's a little pack. I've never seen a pack like this. How cute is it? I have it here hanging from my elbow. Isn't that adorable? I've never seen a pack like that. I'm going to have to hide these from my husband because he will eat all of them. He really will. Then we've got some Midol. Then we've got Totally Tangy Mango Mini Chocolate Bar. Sweet mango sprinkled with tart, lime, sea salt, and a pinch of chili and rich dark chocolate. It's from Hua Chocolatier. I'm guessing there with the pronunciation as well. Don't get angry. Don't get mad. Don't shout at me. Okay. Then we have this pretty candle. How pretty is this? It smells. What does this smell? I don't know. It smells like clean. Like a clean smell, but look at the pretty votive. I have that gold tray over there. I'm going to put this with it because it looks beauteous. And then finally we have, I think that's it. Yeah. So this is Megan's Marvelous Medicinals Lavender Hand Cream. I love the label. Isn't that really like cool and old-timey? Like a general store type. Ooh. It smells good. Let's put it on. Ooh, it's so buttery. I like this a lot. But it's not like heavy, just so you were clear. You could put this on before you go outside. It's not something that you're just I shouldn't say things like that. Going to want to use before bed or something. I like this a lot. I'm gonna go look up her store right after I make this video. So this is Victress. I'm going to find out which box this is now that I'm done. I'll put that below and I'll put all the details. I'll also link to Club Victress, so if you're interested in them, you can check them out. I'll also link to my full review, so you can check that out as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye!